Yeah, right there, right there.
I can't believe that.
Okay, let's go up a bit. Yeah, go on up. Go on up. Go a little quicker. How we doing, man? Keep on going. And this is what I'm talking about. Yeah. Give him some claps, guys. Stay there, King. You're doing well. You're doing well. Yes.
I wouldn't do that.
Good, man. Waist. Yeah, that's it. Yes, we did very better this time.
Much better than last time.
Mind control is the shit, dude. You've got it this time. Yeah. You're sitting good, dude. No tears.
Who just did it? Like before.
Lay back and relax. Enjoy this one, man. You deserve it. This is what I wanted.
Don't think he's gonna.
Drink down.
He could.
Good job, bud. Good fucking job. You landed it right.
You ended it. Good.
That boy, that. Fucking A.
Your dad was calling.
Yeah. Here's the rush.
That hurt. Does that hurt?
How you doing? We have no music in this place.
No, there's music. It's just
No, there's not music.
Pantera playing.
Okay, there's some music. Starting to give a little. Alright. Good? Bring them down. Down. Feel this one, man. This is going to give you a rush.
Going down?
Yep, let's go down. Whoa, you doubled your damn time, dude.
2 minutes away.
You did it. You did good. Yep, let's go all the way down. Let him hang for a minute. Go on down. Slow. Yeah. Feel that motherfucker. Yes! That's the clit I remember.
Woo!
Yeah! How you doing? Good job, guys. Nice. Nice. Right there, leave it right there. These 2 clips have to go and be cleaned. I had to touch them with bloody glove. Yeah!